Welcome to POSable. In this video, you'll learn how POSable handles stock, alerts, and overselling, and how these settings help you stay in control without slowing down sales. Stock management in POSable is designed to support real-world trading. It gives you visibility and protection while still allowing flexibility when you need it. Before continuing, make sure your products have already been created. Stock settings apply at the product level, so categories and products should be in place first. When creating or editing products, you will set the stock value. On the products page, you can quickly view the current stock level for each product. This value will automatically decrease when a product is sold. This happens in real time and applies across all connected devices. If you are selling services instead of tangible products, then a stock value may not be applicable. For each service or product, in the Action section, we have a shield icon. With this action, you can opt for the product or service to be exempt from stock alerts. This will also stop the stock value from decreasing. For products that require stock alerts, we need to set this up in the API settings. Click on the API settings menu link, and we will now set up stock alerts. Low stock alerts allow you to define a threshold for each product. When stock falls below this level, POSable can notify you so you can reorder before you run out. These alerts are designed to support decision-making, not interrupt trading. In the API settings page, we have the following: stock, value enabled or disabled. Setting this to disabled will not send any alerts regardless of stock status. Change this to enabled if you wish to receive low stock alerts. Stock admin. This setting is for your email address where you would wish to receive low stock alerts. Stock value. Enter a numerical value in this setting. For example, a value of 10 will result in the POSable system sending a stock alert for any product when the in-stock value reduces to 10 or lower. Stock overselling. Your options here are to set it as enabled or disabled. Overselling controls what happens when a product reaches zero stock. You can choose to block sales completely or allow sales to continue even when stock reaches zero. Allowing overselling can be useful in fast-paced environments, events, or situations where stock counts are approximate rather than exact. Blocking overselling is better suited to environments where accuracy is critical. These choices are intentional. POSable does not force a single stock philosophy because every business trades differently. Once configured, these rules apply consistently across tills and reports. Taking time to set this correctly now helps prevent missed sales, customer frustration, and inventory surprises later. You can also receive low stock alerts via Telegram, the cloud-based instant messaging app. Please refer to the help section at POSable for the documentation on how to set this up. In the next video, we will cover the back office and app user creation and roles. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching.